Hello, my name is Daniel Gheorghinoiu. My student ID is 13433571, and this is the demonstration for my ERD. So let's try to explain the ERD. The assumptions that I made are as follows. So customer must have one or many bookings. Meantime, a booking can only have one customer. A booking has to have one or more cars, and the car can have one or more bookings. So this table is created to avoid a fan trap. With a booking ID, car ID, and miles estimated, this is the field that the customer estimates with the miles that he's going to travel. And this is made so that a booking can have several cars. Okay, moving on. A driver can drive many booked cars. A booked car can have many drivers, so this is also done to avoid the fan trap with the driver, booking ID, and car ID, so we know at all times what driver drove a certain car for a certain booking. Now moving forward, the booking can have only one booking clerk. Meantime, a booking clerk can do multiple bookings. Also, with the contracts, a booking clerk can do several contracts. A contract can have only one booking clerk. It's the same with the contracts. A booking may have a contract and only one contract, and the contract must have only one booking. Here it's a may because a booking will have a contract only if it's finalized. Moving on, a contract can have an invoice. An invoice can have a contract, must have, and an invoice may have a card. It's a may here, so just let me change it. Okay, so an invoice may have a card. Meanwhile, a card has to have let me rephrase that. An invoice may have several cards, and the card can pay several invoices, so this is done also to avoid a fan trap. So we can have for each invoice we will know the card details. So this is the ERD explained. Moving on to the queries. List the details of all vehicles in the company and sort to make alphabetically. Sorry about it, we have to use the database first. Okay, we can see the tables here, the database. This is a view, this is also a view. Moving to the first query, select star from car details order by make, ascending. It's gonna result to all the cars in the make order alphabetically. Add a new customer to the database. We don't have to put the ID because the ID is set on auto increment. So This is gonna double now, but it doesn't matter. Let's say the customers now. The last one are the same. Update the vehicle registration number. So this was done for the report, but obviously this will update the registration number with 478787878 for car ID 5. Car ID 5 now has 78787878. Okay, moving forward. Show or replace view vehicle status. Show the status of a particular vehicle. The result shows only future bookings for this car. This command is for creating a view or replacing an existing view by this name. These are the fields that we're gonna select, that we're gonna show here, the columns. From these tables, these 3 tables, and we're gonna link the tables by the foreign keys. So this foreign key from this table books with this one with this one, and we are interested only for the future bookings. So we compared today with the higher start date, and it has to be smaller, obviously, for the car with the ID 1. So we run this and then select start from the vehicle status to see what it shows. It should have these fields over here, like this: car, make, registration. It seems that we only have one hire for this car, for car with ID 1. Moving forward, display the driver's name of a particular hire. Is the same. Create the view with this name. This is gonna be our column names. From bookings, booked cars, these are the tables from which we want the informations. This is to link the tables with a foreign key, and we're interested only for booking number 4. So run this, select all these fields from the driver's name view, and we see that for the booking number 4 we have 3 names because there are 3 cars booked. And now we're going to try to delete a damaged vehicle from the database. So delete from this table. We're gonna delete the car with ID number 9, where the damaged column matches this character. So these are the cars from our table. This is number 9. This one. Run it, and now car number 9 will be deleted. Yeah, only number 8. Moving forward. Sorry about this. Display total number of vehicles, total amount of fees to be paid for a particular hire. This is used to give the customer an estimative price, but the final invoice will be calculated after the client returns the car and the odometer is read. So This counts the rows for car ID and saves the column as number of cars. This sum is doing the calculation between in this line. So it takes the miles estimated, multiplies with the mile charge, and adds this date booking higher end and date booking higher start. It's getting the number of days the customer needs the car for, and this multiplies the number of the days with the daily charge, and saves it as total. We use the bookings, booked cars, and car details tables. We link them together with a foreign key, and we only need this for booking number 4, let's say, and it's a total number of cars. We used that before to show the driver's name. So for this booking we have 3 cars with a total of 810 pounds. So now we're gonna list all overdue vehicles and the customer contact information, supposing that an invoice is issued only when the customers bring back the car, and all the fees are calculated. So to see the overdue vehicles, I am guessing that an invoice is made only when the car is back. So that booking will have a contract but will not have an invoice. So we create a view with overdue cars, select the booking ID from contracts, and naturally left join with invoices. This links the two tables and gives us only the booking IDs that don't match in the invoice table, or how is it here with the contract ID is null. So all the contracts ID that are null in invoices will be stored here in this view. So what we have to do now is select whatever fields we want from the tables we need. We need the customers, booking, contracts, and overdue cars. Link them together, link the customer with the booking. We need only the future, only the bookings that are overdue, so we compare the today with the booking higher end. So if today is bigger than when the booking ended, and link the booking ID to the booking ID from the contracts. And this is important, we only need the booking IDs from contracts resulted from the overdue view, so only the bookings that don't have invoices. So what we get here is the first name, the last name, the phone, and the higher end. So this is the only customer that should bring the car on the 16th of January. Now he's 18, so he didn't bring the car because there is no invoice for this booking. Now moving on, calculate the total fine for an overdue hire. This is the same function used before. It calculates what's between the parentheses. So how do we do that? We get the date from the invoice the data the